covered yes class-based views. In the last session, we covered class-based views. We discussed it, right? In that class-based views, normal view we covered. Next and after that template view we discussed. Even for database operations purpose, we covered list view we discussed, and then detail view we covered, right? I hope all the people can able to understand up to this, right? Okay, list view, detail view we covered, right? So now can you please create view? Are you getting what the next one, sir? Create view, update view, create view, update view, delete view, like we require to discuss. Regarding these three things, so first list view, detail view meant for R operation. R operation means retrieve operation, read operation, like create view meant for insert operation. Can you please insert a record? Update view meant for to update operation. Next, delete view meant for, okay, this is delete operation, right? So these four operations are by default considered CRUD operations, right? So how you can perform CRUD operations? By using, okay, detail, by using this view class. Very simple, sir. Sir, view class-based views are very easy to use. Please make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, can I go for a small chota example for this? Yes, friends, can I do that? Okay, very simple terminology, sir. Now, listen, sir, I will explain in the next example all those things, right? Yesterday, which example we covered? Anyone, can you please just remind once? Yesterday, which example, book example, or any other? Sorry, what is that program? What is the model class we used, right? What is the model class we used in the last session? Yes, okay, book model, right? Now I want to take model like that, right? How we can able to do that? So very simple. Here, let me go to let me go to Django projects OT. Okay, like this, Django projects OT. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Now I'm taking Django admin, start the project. Django admin, start project. Next, what is the project name? CBV. Yes, have you remember what is the last project name we used? Anyone can you please remind once? What is the last project name we used? CBV project 2 also completed. Regarding now CBV project 3, we require to take CBV project 3. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Now CD CBV project 3. CBV project 3. Like this, I'm taking. Yes, CBV class-based views. Like this, I'm taking, sir. Now, sir, here what I have to take? py, sir, manage.py, start the app, test the app. Like this, I'm taking. Start app, test app. Okay, like application is ready, sir. Next, immediately let me go to. I want to go for a small thing. Sir, CBV project 3. Let me take a new folder, templates folder. A new folder, I'm taking templates folder. Next one after that, inside templates folder, let me take one test app folder. Let me take test app folder. Inside test app folder, let me take base.html. Regarding, because template inheritance is the best choice to use base.html, right? Next, let me go to settings.py. Let me add my application. Okay, first step, add the application, right? Next one after that, here template dir. Okay, template dir is equal to os.path.join. Okay, so now base dir I'm taking, comma template is right. Base dir, comma templates like I'm taking. So now let me add the templates here, template dir. That's all. Okay. So this is all these things already you people aware. Up to this, not required to keep any explanation, right? Regarding, it's a very common thing, adding templates, next create, start project, start application, like all the remaining is the already you aware, right? Now let me go to models.py. Regarding, let me go to models.py, sir. Here our model is required. Now the cinema is going to start here, sir. Sir, I'm taking class company. Regarding class company class I'm taking. Sir, company is models dot model I'm taking. Class company models dot model like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, here name of the company, maybe Microsoft or Facebook, something like models dot. Can you please confirm, sir? Models dot care field I'm taking, sir. Models dot care field. Here max length. Okay, why it's not coming? Max length is equal to company name, maybe some 128 characters, like I'm taking, sir. Company name 128 characters, something like that. Okay, we can. Next one, after that, location. Here just observe very carefully about this one. Here location I'm taking. Location I'm taking. Models.care field of location, maybe city name, some 64 characters I'm taking, sir. Next, CEO of the company. Assume that CEO of the company, sir, is a name around 64 characters I'm taking. Sir, can you please tell any doubt about this one? Please respond. Any doubt about this one? That's all. Not required to keep much explanation about this terminology, right? Sir, now immediately let me go to admin interface, right? Okay, session admin interface, right? Sir, what I'm trying to take here is, okay, class sir, model admin, okay, company admin, like this I'm taking, sir. Here just take a bit very special care from test app dot model, from test app dot models, import the company. Next one, after that, here admin dot model admin dot model admin, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, here very simple, sir. I have to take a list display. Regarding list display is equal to, can you please tell what are various fields are available, sir? Name, location, and the CEO. Name, sir. Next one, after that, location, and then just CEO also there. Okay, that's all. This is the list display, sir. Okay, sir. Next, register this one, admin dot site dot register. Sir, can you please company admin, like this, right? Any doubt? Everything is clear, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, now what is the next thing what we have to take? Can you please create super user? Okay, can you please create super user? It's required for every project, sir. Matter of 1 minute. I don't think it is a very difficult activity, right? Okay, enter. There are some problems. Have you observed, right? No. Here before creating, compulsory what we have to take here is, observe that order is very important. Make migrations and then migrate. After that you have to take. Have you observed, right? So it is asking about auth user. This table is not there. That's why, like, please sir, first perform make migrations. Regarding make migrations, py manage.py make migrations. Okay, well, next one after that migrate. Okay, that's all. Migrate, like this I'm taking, sir. Migrate is completed. Next one, now create super user. Regarding create super user, okay, like this, right? Now it's going to accept, no problem at all. Okay, here Durga. Next one after that, Durga adb.java@gmail.com. Next password, sir, Durga 123, like this I'm taking, sir. Sir, password again Durga 123. That's also super user created, right? So now here just my intention is take very special care, sir. Very special care. What I want to take here is, sir, here 127/admin. Regarding /admin, okay, minimum data. Let me add 2 or 3 rows, right? Sir, let me start the server first, and then you can able to access. Run server. Can you please observe that? Okay. Now happily it's going to ask Durga. Next Durga 123. This is my username, like this, right? Company. Okay, that's all. Company. Yes, will be added automatically, right? Add company, sir. Okay, now I'm taking Microsoft. Okay, add company name Microsoft. Location, just I'm taking Hyderabad, sir. CEO, sir, Gates, I'm taking, sir. Okay, Gates, something like, of course, Satya, Nadal, anyway, just I'm taking, just save. Okay, next one after that, Megasoft I'm taking, sir. Megasoft is my company. Next, the location is Bangalore, like I'm taking. Next, Bangalore I'm taking. Bangalore. Next, what is the CEO, sir? Assume that Anderson. Okay, CEO is the Anderson. Assume that, sir. Okay, Megasoft, Microsoft. Next, Durga I'm taking. Durga Hyderabad. Location is the Hyderabad. Next, and after that, okay, Durga I'm taking, sir. That's all. Sir, now just take a bit very special care. Sir, how many records are available, sir? 3 records are available. Okay, three records are there, sir. Okay, now just 5 minutes oddly. Sir, let me implement whatever we covered yesterday's section. Let me implement because it will be the continuation will become very easy for you, right? Okay, list view or otherwise create, delete, update. We can list and detail. Is it clear, right? Can I require to explain anything? Okay, list and detail. Anyway, we are not required to do. Let me concentrate about create view like a detail view, something like this, right? Okay, create detail update. For that, sometimes maybe we may require to use. That's why let me take here from test app. Okay, from test app. Okay, test app dot models import from test app dot models import here just a company I'm taking import company, sir. Now take very special case, sir. Class, sir, my requirement is now take very special care about this one, sir. What is the requirement is, can you please tell, okay, list view, because I may use these are things, right? Company list view of can you please tell what some import statement must be required? I forgot that import statement. Anyone, can you please guide, sir? From Django dot views dot generic import can you please observe that list view? Next, and after that, can you please have a look once, detail view. Next, create view. Next, create view. Next, update view. Next, delete view. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, delete view like I'm taking. Are you in the position to understand, right? Sir, all these things we want to use, sir. Don't worry. We are going to use. That's all. Okay. Now here just I want to take here list view. I have to take, sir. List view. Now just only one line we have to specify. List view. Can you spell out what we have to take, sir? Model is equal to company. That's all. We are not required to worry about. Sir, like how you can able to, sir, context object, template file. All that nonsense is not required. Right? Can you please tell what is the default? Template file? Please confirm. What is the default template file for list, sir? For list, what is the default template file? Okay, here company underscore list dot html is the default, right? Company underscore list dot html, right? So now let me go for base dot html. Let me talk about base dot html, right? Here I'm taking HTML code. Next, one small get bootstrap.com, because here buttons, all those things must be required. Highly recommended to use bootstrap, because insert button, delete button, all that nonsense is there. That's why just let me please make sure. Yes, this thing. Okay, now here inside head part I'm taking. Okay, that's all. Now here what I have to take, sir? Div class container I'm taking, sir. Div class container. Here very simple. I have to take, sir. Have you remembered, right? Yes, sir, this type of thing. Percentage. Okay. Block body block. Percentage block body block. Like this I'm taking. Percentage block body block. Like Now what I have to take here is block, sir. End block. That's all. Sir, who is the responsible to fill this block? This block. Who is the responsible to fill this block, sir? Child. Child tag is the responsible. I mean, child template is the responsible to fill this one, sir. Okay, like now what I'm trying to say, sir. Let me open company list data HTML. Sir, single curly brackets. Yeah. 1 minute. I'm sorry, by mistake. Single curly braces only we require to take because it is, sir, if it is the normal printing kind of plain text kind of thing, then okay. Now here just observe the company list. Can you please guide what I have to take here? Just HTML, but all these things are not required. Now I'm trying to take percentage here extends test app / base.html like this, right? Okay, base.html like. Now, sir, let me take this block. This block must be required. Okay, sir. Now let me go for copy paste here, like I'm taking, sir. Okay. Now in this block, what I have to take is, sir. Now I know it is already there, sir. Okay, here H1 list of all companies, all companies. Okay, like this list of all companies, like I'm taking, sir. Now here just observe the percentage for can you please tell for each company in what is the default context object? Please, I forgot, sir. Default context object company underscore list, correct? For each what I have to take, sir, like this, right? So now what you are going to take, sir? Some 1 2 3 something like you can able to take, or otherwise H2 tag you can able to take. H2 I'm taking, sir. Under H2 let me take one anchor tag, sir. Let me take one anchor tag I'm taking. Sorry, here just observe that anchor tag I'm taking, anchor tag. Now inside anchor tag here company dot just name only I'm taking, sir. I don't want to take any other company dot name. That's all anchor tag I'm taking. Next end for loop. End for I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, I'm making as simple as possible. Company, okay, as simple as possible. I'm taking, sir. Company dot name. That's it. So now why anchor tag? If I click this anchor tag, then automatically, do you know? If I click this anchor tag, then details page is going to come. That's why yesterday we covered, right? Yesterday we discussed, right? This part. That's it. So that's all. Now let me go to urls.py. Okay. Now here I'm taking R just a dollar symbol. Okay. From test app import the views. Now here views dot, sir, I forgot, sir. Views dot company list view dot as underscore view, like this we have to take. That's it. I hope everything is clear. Now already my server started. Let me send the request for this. The complete company information, am I able to get or not? Just observe carefully, sir. What I'm going to get? Yes, perfect. It's going to come. Microsoft, Megasoft, Durga. It's good. Okay. Now all the companies we require here some more things. Don't worry, sir. Okay, I will discuss like. Please, everyone in the position to understand. You respond. All the people are in a position to understand, right? Okay, that's it, sir. Up to this we implemented which view? Which view we implemented, sir? Up to this? Up to this we implemented only list view. Can I go for detail view? For detail view also, how many lines of the code is required? Only 2 lines, sir. Only 2 lines, sir. Okay. Inside user.py. Can you please guide, sir? Inside user.py. Class company detail view I'm taking, sir. Okay. Of detail view. Okay. Here also only 1 line. What I have to take? Model is equal company. Regarding model is equal to company. Company like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. Only one line, company. Okay, like. So now it is always expecting what the default template file. Can you please confirm what the default template file is always expecting, sir? Company. Okay. Company underscore detail dot html. Regarding company underscore detail dot html, right? Okay, well, sir, now in the company whatever we are taking, same thing I'm trying to take here, company detail. Okay, well, sir, here so and so company information. Okay, here so and so company information. Can you please guide, sir? Okay, sir, what is the default context object available? Please respond. What is the default context object? Company or object. Object. Okay, that's why company dot name. So and so company information. Okay, under that I'm taking H2 tag. Sir, location is what is the location, sir? Company dot location. Okay, next and after that, okay, CEO, sir. CEO, name of the CEO. Name of CEO. Who is the company dot CEO? That's all. Okay, this is what we took, sir. Okay, we are just company information. Only 3 fields are there. In that already company name is in the heading. That's why company location and company CEO. Only 2 things are enough, sir. Next, here do you know company underscore detail detail.html is the default template. Next, company is the default context object. Remember, we are not required to pass, we are not required to render. All that nonsense is not there here. Okay, so that our life will become very easy. But one small thing what you people should aware, sir, urls.py. Detail view. Yesterday I told something, man. I told something. Can you please guide, sir? Can you please guide a bit dangerous concept? Okay. Question mark. Okay. Bracket. Can you please guide P? Anyone? Can you please tell, sir? P. What we have to take is question mark P. Next PK. Here PK primary key \d plus like this I'm taking. Next and after that /$ symbol. Okay, if here you require to pass \d like this. Here company detail view dot as view. That's all. Company detail view dot as view like this we have to take, sir. That's all. This is the thing what you people should aware clearly, right? So now in the company list view, update this one, sir. / company dot anyone can you please tell, sir? Dot company dot. What is the thing I have to take, sir? Yes, already yesterday we discussed already what we have to take. ID, because ID itself is the primary key. Primary key. That's why ID like this. That's it. Now just a refresh. If I click Microsoft information should come. Microsoft information, location Hyderabad, name of the CEO, Gates, sir. Now if I click Megasoft information, location Bangalore, name of the CEO is Anderson. Okay, Durga Soft, location Hyderabad, name of the CEO Durga, something like this. Wow. So list view and the detail view, both the things are now a small revision, because why sir is explaining already covered thing, because in the next create view all those compulsory we require to aware these, because in the same example I want to implement all CRUD four operations, right? Any doubts, sir? This one is a very cute. This one is a very cute. Nothing, sir. Just model is equal to company. Everything by default. This list view, detail view by default is going to take care. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Up to this, it's very clear for you people, right? Can I go for next one? Yes, adding employee information. Sorry, here just I want to create. Regarding I want to create view, sir. If you want to create, take very special care. If you want to create, what we have to take, sir? Very simple. Class company create view. Create means don't feel the creating the table. Create means creating the record. Insert operation, right? Company create view. Company create view. Which is the child? Create view, sir. Which is the child? Create view. Like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, create view. Sir, now what we have to take? Create view, sir. What we require to take? Can you please guide? Very simple. Here also, we are not required to do much activity. Model is equal to, sir, company. Cinema completed. Cinema completed. We are not required to do anything, sir. Create view. Automatically, that's our model is equal to company. Sir, reading data, inserting data in the database. Where are all these nonsense, sir? Simple, sir. You are not required to do anything. Model is equal to create. Model is equal to company. That's all. Everything by default is going to take care. Okay, 1 minute. Form must be required anywhere. Like, sir, how? Now, let me define URL pattern. Listen carefully, sir. What will happen? Slowly, you are going to get much clarity. Listen this one. Let me define URL pattern. In the URL pattern, it's very simple. I'm not going to create here. Now, what I'm trying to take is all these things not required. Just create. Regarding just create, sir. Just create. Company create view. Regarding company create view. Like this I'm taking. Company create view. Like this I'm taking, sir. Just only URL pattern I define. And the view function is also available, right? What will happen if I send a request? Now observe carefully, sir. Definitely it is not going to work. Definitely it's not going to work, I'm sure. But let me do what will happen, sir. Here, what is the URL pattern? What is the URL pattern for CreateView? /create. Correct, right? /create a user. Please confirm. Yes, friends. /create. That's all. Now observe very carefully in what way it is going to respond. In what way it is going to respond, sir. Now here like this. Now I'm sending the request. Yeah. Please observe carefully. It's going to tell, sir. Using model form mixin base class company CreateView without the fields attribute is prohibited. Are you getting right? Whenever you want to insert record, which fields you have to specify, you have to provide that. But you didn't talk about that, then automatically how I can accept like Django is going to tell. Sir, I want to insert which fields you are going to insert. Okay, like you have to specify. Okay, what is this one? Can you please tell? What is this one, sir? Fields attribute. Without fields attribute is prohibited. Means whenever we are taking CreateView, compulsory you have to specify which attribute, sir? I forgot. What is the attribute name? I forgot. What is the attribute name? Fields. Are you getting? Fields is equal to. Sir, which fields we take? Which fields we have to take? Name of the company, comma, name of the company, comma, location of the company, comma, name of the company, comma, location of the company, comma, CEO. Oh, boss, I want these fields. I want to insert the data, create the data for these fields. Compulsory, you have to specify. Okay, like this. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, that's all. First thing. Next, one more small thing is there. Listen, matter of 2 minutes. Don't worry, sir. Shashank, it is there. Just observe. Slowly, one by one, I'm trying to add. Sir, model and then fields. Now, let me refresh. Now, fields attribute is there, sir. Let me refresh. Okay, excellent. Yes. Now, can you please observe? Suddenly, our error information changed. Regarding our error information changed. Nobody is telling what? Can you please tell? Template does not exist for this URL. Which templates are? It is always looking for company_form.html. Oh, default form. It is always looking. Okay. What is the default form name? Default template name in the case of CreateView. What is the default template, sir? What is the default template, sir? Underscore form. Model name underscore form. Okay. Now we have to create. This one slowly. Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay. Now company. Please observe my spellings, all those right. Company_form.html. Company_form.html. Okay. Now my target is, now take a bit very special case, sir. Same the base template I want to use. That's why where we have company form.html. Okay, like I'm taking, I have to, sir, remove all this information. Employee, insert employee, insert form, or employee, insert employee data, insert the form, or create form, like insert or technical word create. Okay, form, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay. Now here we are not required to do any much big activity, right? Okay, I want to define template file. I want to define template file. So now what I have to take? Form action form method is equal to post. Now listen carefully. Form method is equal to post. Next, sir, what I have to take? Form dot as underscore p. Are you getting? Form dot as underscore p. Sir, now immediately I ask, sir, who is passing the form? In my view, I never going to pass the form. My parent is going to take care. Are you getting? Parent is going to take care. Creating form object and send that form here. Who is going to take care? Parent is going to take care. Don't worry, sir. Here percentage. Next, 1CSRF underscore token. Like this, right? Next, one more thing must be required or not? This one more thing. Submit button is required. Input, type submit. Next, and after that, value. Which value we have to take? Which value we require to take, sir? Can you please tell? Which value we have to take? Just some label, sir. Okay. Insert, update I'm taking. Sir, why you are taking this update? In the future you will get, but as of now just give a insert or update, like this I'm taking, sir. In the future you people can able to get, sir. Don't worry about that, or otherwise as of now in the future if it is required I will change that. Insert employee data. Okay, like this I'm taking, sir. Next, if you want, you can take class is equal to, can you please tell? BTN, okay, success, BTN, LG, BTN, okay, primary, or otherwise primary, something like you can able to take, sir. That's it. Okay, BTN primary, like we can able to take. Everyone can able to understand what all these things, right? These things are related to Bootstrap. Remember, these things are related to. That's all. We are not required to specify anything, sir. Now, sir, earlier it is telling that was template not available. Now I provide a template file also. Still, if it is going to write the error, I will give left and right. Now, create. Can you please send the request to the create? Then happily employee data insert or create form name location next to CEO. Wow, wonderful. Getting right? Any doubt? Please confirm. Are you able to understand? Now, sir, employee. Here, name of the company, sir. Okay, Nandu Soft I'm taking. Location, sir. Bangalore. Location, Bangalore I'm taking, sir. Bangalore. CEO, okay, Nanda Kishore I'm taking. Nanda Kishore. Now, like I'm taking, sir, insert employee. Take very special care about this one, sir. Take a bit very special care about this. Sir, now almost ready, sir. Ready. But there is a small thing is there. What is that thing is? Very simple. So after insert, once I call insert, now the control will goes to view function. That view function is going to view class is going to take care inserting into the data. After inserting in the database, now to which page I have to display. Regarding to which page I have to display, somewhere in our authentication somewhere we had this type of discussions. Regarding authentication somewhere, sir, after inserting, to which page I have to display? I require to display which page? Okay, that thing must be required. But have you configured anywhere that information? Have you configured anywhere that information? No, I didn't configure anywhere, sir. So that is the problem. Now, immediately, if I click this one, now observe this, that is the last error, don't worry. Now, so improperly configured, yet create. Can you please observe? No URL to redirected to. No URL to redirected to. Okay? Either provide a URL or define get absolute URL method on the model. Are you getting that? Get absolute so get absolute URL method on the model. Like this it's going to ask. Are you getting? This is the problem, right? Now what I have to take commonly used approach is get absolute URL. Okay, get absolute URL. How you can able to define, sir? Here reverse URLs or something like we require to aware. Just a matter of this is a bit technical word, take a bit special case, sir. Get absolute URL. Now my question is either record inserted or not. After record insertion, the problem is going to come, I hope. Okay, let me refresh. Yes, Nandusoft also came. Again, a record inserted, but the problem is after inserting the record, to which page I have to go. So there, the Django facing the problem, immediately it is rising the error. Record already inserted. Okay, the problem there. Okay, now you can solve this problem is open models.py. Open models.py. Now here you have to talk about one method. What is the method? What this bloody method is always expecting? Can you please observe? What is this method is expecting? Get absolute URL method. Okay, that's all. Get absolute URL method. That's why DEF get absolute URL of self. Get absolute URL of self. We have to take that. Next, return reverse URL. Compulsory, it's always expected reverse URL, sir. It's always expected reverse URL. Remember this one. What I have to take here, legend, a bit carefully, sir. From, sir, all these things first time we are taking. That's why you people may get a bit difficult. Second time, third time onwards, you are going to easily you can able to understand. From Django dot core dot URL from Django.core dot URL resolvers. Sir, just observe Django. That's why it's not coming. Django.core.url. Okay, resolvers. Are you getting URL resolvers? Sir, import the reverse. Import the reverse. Reverse is the function. Can you please observe carefully? From Django.core.url resolvers, import the reverse. Next, in the URLs.py, sir, for the my target is now take very special care. After inserting the data, I have to display it's a detail page. I have to display it's a detail page. I want to display, sir. What I want to take, sir, detail page URL is this one, right? Okay, respond. Detail page URL is this one, right? This is the thing. Now here, comma. Here you can able to take name is equal to detail. Like you can specify like this, right? This is called the reverse URL, sir. This is nothing but reverse URL. Sir, based on this detail also, you can able to invoke this one. Don't worry, sir. this is called reverse URL. Either based on this one or based on this one also you can. Sir, now observe within a minute you can. Sir, this is original URL. For this is the description I'm giving. Next and after that, for this URL, I'm giving some names. What is the name, sir? Name is equal to detail. Something like I'm taking first time we are using name is equal to detail. Now my question is, observe that in the model, sir, get absolute URL. Okay, return reverse URL. It's always expecting a reverse URL, sir. Now, what is the URL? What is the reverse URL? What is the URL I provided? Rohit, it's going to work. Okay, what is the URL I provided here? Detail. Are you getting that? Detail is the name. Now here detail, comma, keyword arguments. Are you going to pass any arguments or not? Yes, because I'm targeting about the detail, right? I require to pass the primary key. Detail is dictionary. Sir, which thing you want to pass, right? Inside the PK I require to pass. What is the PK values are? Self current object dot PK. Okay. So after inserting data, can you please go to detail page with the argument current object PK? Like this we have to take. That's it. Are you getting right? Now this PK is used. This PK is used in this. Based on that, the corresponding function by default is going to come. This type of concept is nothing but reverse URL concept. Compulsory here, it is going to expect the reverse URLs. Maybe in the future, I may explore much in detail, but as of now, just aware. Okay. Now let me send you a request again. Here 127 like / create. PK means name of the variable, primary key. Are you getting? PK means name of the argument. Which argument you are going to pass? Primary key. Next here, what is the value? Current object primary key. Can you please pass the value? Padmaraj, getting? Padmaraj. Okay. Now here just observe. PK is fixed. Primary key is because in our urls.py, which variable I used here? In the urls.py, which variable I used, right? PK. That is the variable I use. Next, for every object, internally it is the record, right? Internally, PK by default will be maintained. Don't worry, sir. For every object internally, because it's the internally, PK will be maintained. PK implicitly it is available. Don't worry. Okay. Now, sir, created. This time I'm taking now soft I'm taking, or otherwise vsoft, because vsoft is one company is also there. I hope vsoft, location Hyderabad, CEO. Okay, or otherwise now I'm taking. Now insert employee. Can you please observe? If I can take employee, now view function is going to add that. After that, detail page is going to come. Are you getting? After that, detail page is going to come. Now, can you please observe? Yes, detail not found. Detail is not a valid view function name or pattern name. Something like yes, here it is unable to tell. Sir, detail no reverse match. Reverse of detail not found, not a valid function or pattern name. It is telling somewhere here only it is complaining. Don't worry. Here, let me open urls.py. Now, in the urls.py, just a bit carefully, sir. In the urls.py, thing is there. Name is equal to detail. Am I passed right? Already declared, right? Name is equal to detail. Yes, we use it the same. We use it the same, maybe saved or not saved, something like. Okay, don't worry. Let me cross check. Next, that is Vinod. After inserting data, it is always calling implicitly get absolute URL method. Okay, to display next target page. That's why we are defining get absolute URL of target page. Okay, like now let me open user.py. On the model object, it is going to call. On the model object, it's going to call. Okay, make sure. On which model, which object you inserted, on that object, get absolute URL is going to be called. Okay. Py detail. Okay, same thing, right? Same only, maybe. Okay, let me cross check again. Don't worry. Here that is also added. Correct. Next 1 minute. Yeah, that is also added, no problem at all. Now adding is no issue. Only thing is, okay, 127/create. I'm taking. Okay, name is let me take Sunny Software. Definitely it may work. CEO Sunny Leone. Okay. Now insert employee. Perfect. It's working, man. If Sunny is there, obviously output is going to come. Don't worry. Get it? So Sunny page, detail page by default is going to come. Maybe don't worry, just waiting. Application waited for Sunny. Up to this, several names you used, but Sunny name you didn't use. That's why it's not working. Clear for you people? Now insert. Just let me repeat again. Okay. Let me repeat again here. Just observe. Compulsory in your applications also better to use Sunny name. Then perfect outputs are going to come. Okay. Well, now observe. Just let me review, sir. Let me review. Here we have to. If you want to create a view, insert the data. If you want to create view, insert the data. Then we have to write a class create view like this. Model is equal to company and the fields compulsory we require to specify. Without specifying the fields, yes, this create view is not going to work. And then in the URL.py I define, yes, this is. I'm not doing any much activity, sir. I'm not doing any much activity. Okay, like this. Next, what is the default template file? What is the default template file for insertion? Company underscore form.html. Company underscore form.html. Who is the responsible to send this form object? Who is the responsible this form object? Who is the responsible, sir? That the create view internally is going to take care. We are not required to worry about that. Whatever fields we specify, based on those fields, automatically it is going to come. Okay, well, that's all. Now this is that's all. This is the create form. But only one thing: after inserting data in our database, what is the target page? What is the target page? If you want to go for target page, then automatically here where you have to specify that information is in the model get absolute URL. We have to specify detail page and which arguments we are passing like this, right? Okay, sir, if you don't want that, then automatically home page, then you can specify only home without any argument. Now home page only it will be displayed. So to which target page we should go, create view function internally calls this one. Can you please confirm? All the people in a position to understand how to insert the data in the database. Okay, like now you can let me cross check one more record, sir, because So whether only just for Sunny purpose only it is working or for the remaining also it will work, I don't know. So employee get absolute URL, get absolute no forms.py. We are not going to define forms.py because if I'm going to define my own form, then it's required. Are you getting right? Okay, sir. Now name is sir some what I'm trying to take some Mallika soft I'm taking. Location sir Delhi I'm taking sir Delhi. Okay, Delhi I'm taking. Location is the Delhi. Okay, next CEO sir Mallika. Just I'm taking sir Mallika. Insert record automatically. Have you observed right? Yes, it's going to come. That's it. This is about the create user. Okay. Now get absolute URL is a very thing. It's a very clear. Now what I want to take next what we can use Shashank, what then? CN we user not getting. HRE of tag Shashank. Get absolute URL. Here absolute URL. What's your doubt? href is the list view, right? Can we use a template something like in the you're asking about get absolute URL? Yeah. No, href is not possible. I hope compulsory you require to take in this style. Rohit, maybe it's going to work. Correct. Rohit, it's going to work. That is also another shortcut. Can you please scratch it? Okay. Sir, now next thing, sir. Next thing, update view. Update view. Update view also very simple. If you want to do updation, it's a very simple, sir. Update view, very simple. How you can able to do that? If you want to do update, just observe that. Let me go to view function. First, what I'm taking company update view. Company update view. Can you please tell what I have to take, sir? Update view. Okay, like that. Sir, immediately which model? What is the model? Company is the model. Next, here which fields you want to update? Can you please tell which fields you want to update? Most of the times for the company, which information for the company, which information can you spell out? Which won't be changed frequently? Which won't be changed frequently, sir? Location won't be changed most of the times, but the name of the company sometimes maybe a change. CEO obviously will be changed. Regarding CEO, name of the company, and the location, most of the times location is not changed. Company location, mostly it is the same. That's why, okay, if you want you can. Now fields we have to specify which fields you are going to change. Regarding which fields you want to change, sir. Fields is name of the company, comma CEO of the company. Regarding CEO, name and the CEO, I want to change, sir. So you specified only these two fields. Regarding we specified only these two fields, right? Next, what I have to take? Define URL pattern. How you can able to define URL pattern, right? Okay, let me go for urls.py. So which record you want to update? Compulsory you have to pass that ID. Remember this one, sir. Compulsory you require to pass which record you want to update. Okay, URL here. Just what I want to take is now take very special care, sir. This one is very important. Update. Okay, update slash, are you getting update slash like views dot company update view, okay, like this. Sir, here name is not required. Now take very special care, sir. Take a bit very special care. So if you are going to send the request, okay, update like this. If you are going to send the request, views dot company update view as a view like this. If you are going to send the request like, then what is the output by default we are going to get here is very important, sir. So this is the URL. So slash update followed by the corresponding ID you have to take. One small thing, sir. Let me send the request first. Sir, what I'm trying to take is 1 minute. Can you please, according to this URL pattern, can you please tell, sir, what I have to take? Slash update slash 1 primary key slash 1 slash update slash 1. Here I have observed slash update slash primary key. I'm asking, sir. That's why slash 1 I'm taking, sir. Now let me send the request. What will happen? Sir? Am I required to define any HTML file or not? Any HTML file or not? Yes, take very special care, sir. Compulsory, we require to define HTML file. HTML file. What we are going to take is, sir, now here observe that automatically, yes, sir, this form is coming or not? Right, from where this form is coming? I didn't define anything. I didn't define anywhere this form, but from where it is coming? Have you remembered? For update also, okay, insert the employee. Sir, have you remembered form company underscore form.html? It is going to consider, sir. Company underscore form.html. It is going to consider. Take very special care. Company underscore form.html is going to take whatever form you used for insert, the same thing is going to come. That's why let me open that form company underscore form.html. Here button name insert or update employee, because the same form by default will be there. Remember, insert or update employee data like this I'm taking, sir. Yeah, earlier also I talked, sir, just but anyway in the next weekend, sir, the same form by default is going to come. Okay, well, man. Now my requirement is take very special care, sir. Microsoft, okay, sir. Gate's name I want to change as Satya like this, sir. Now insert or insert like this I'm taking, sir. That's all, sir. Detail page automatically is going to come. Microsoft information, location Hyderabad, name of the CEO is nothing but Satya. Are you able to understand? Sir, everything is going to be happy. Everything is going to be completed. Now let me take just I'm taking, sir. Instead of 1, 2 I'm taking. Megasoft Anderson is there, sir. Now let me take William Anderson. Next Megasoft India like this I took, sir. Megasoft India like I'm taking. Now have you observed insert or update form is coming? Insert or update. Now updated, sir. Updated like, sir, really is this permanently updated in our database or not? Yes, already we have, right? Can you please cross check? Is it permanently updated? Megasoft India, Bangalore, William, like all the things by default got updated properly. Now, if you want to update, then what you are trying to take? If you want to update, what we are taking, sir, here just I specified in the views.py, sir, this is the information. Automatically, sir, company underscore form consider, it is going to display the form with our provided data. Now I have one small doubt. If you want to send the request, I open the browser under then /1/2 like this I'm taking. But what I want to take, I want to take one small button. For update. Sir, where where you can take this button. Sir, we have, yes, are there. One page, list page is there. Okay. If I click this one, this is the information. Here, if I can take button. So, do you want to update this company information? Here it is the more meaningful. Here is the more meaningful. Are you getting? Now, in the detail page, company detail page, now after this, let me take one anchor tag. Are you getting? Let me take one anchor tag. What I'm trying to take, sir? Update information. Update company information. Update company information. Like this I'm taking, sir. Update company information. Okay. Now here anchor tag. Can you please tell what I have to pass, right? Update slash, do you know, company dot id we have to pass. Slash company dot id. Next time after that, here class is equal to anchor tag. Class is equal to just a btn. Okay, btn. Next btn. Okay, lg. Next btn warning. Because you are trying to update, right? BTN warning. Like this I'm taking, sir. In the detail page, just I'm taking anchor tag. In the detail page, just I'm taking anchor tag. That's why, like. Now, take a bit very special care about this one. Okay. Now I'm trying to take. That's all. Now, Durga Soft I'm taking. Okay. Now, location Hyderabad. See what Durga. Update company information. Yeah, perfect. Update company information. If I click this one, yes, Durga Soft and Durga. What you want to take? Durga Soft India Private Limited. I want to take Durga Soft India Private Limited. Like this I'm taking, sir. Yes, insert. Yes, inserted Durga Soft India Private Limited information. That's it. Are you in a position to understand, right? Can you please confirm? That's all. Just vsoft. Yes, so this is the details, man. Update company information. Okay, vsoft. Okay, LLC. Like this I'm taking, sir. LLC. vsoft LLC. Okay, like I'm taking LLC. Na? What is that? What is that? Limited. I'm taking, sir. Limited company, like. Okay, vsoft Limited. Okay, like. Clear, right? Okay, Durga Soft is the private limited company, sir. Durga Soft India Private Limited. Director is Durga. Clear, right? Are you in a position to understand? Any doubt? I hope just maybe first time we are discussing all these things, right? You people may have small doubts. Don't worry. Once you start, then you people can able to understand very easily, right? Okay. So first time definitely a bit confusion, but slowly once you are going to practice, if you are going to keep on the paper, then automatically, yes. Clear, right? Can I go to the next one? Delete view. Delete view is a very easy, sir. Delete view is a very easy. So that thing I will implement in the next session, because there are some template files also we have to take, confirmation pages we have to take, like this, right? Okay, and then tomorrow one more example I will take. With that, these class-based reviews we can able to complete. Okay, right, sir. Please, can you please consider that? Do you want me to share this code? Shashank, not required.